Hi, this is Beatrix from FrameSA. What you'll need for installation is the following: your hammer, the plugs and screws that I provide with you with the ledge, concrete drill bit, size 6, pencil, star screwdriver, split leveler, the ledge itself, measuring tape and the drill. If you're installing 3 ledges, start with the top ledge. You will measure from the ceiling down and you'll decide where you would like to place your first ledge. But if you're only installing 1 ledge, of course you will just place where you deem fit. You will take the ledge itself and place the spirit leveler on top and place it against the wall where you would like to install it. You will use the screw to make the mark on the wall. If the mark is not very clear, just use the pencil again to make the mark where the hole would be for the drill. Make sure your drill is on hammer mode so that it's easy to drill into the wall. Place your hammer on the spot and start drilling. After that, you will place the plug and screw through the wood in the ledge and place the ledge by the holes that you drilled and make sure that the plugs and screw fit in nice and tight. You will then use the leveler just to make sure that the ledge is straight. If you need to move it just a little bit to the left or right, you can do so. And then you'll take the star screwdriver with your hammer and you'll place the screwdriver on the tip of the screw and just slightly tap it in until it's nice and snug against the wall. And there you go, all set, nice and easy.